How to fix 0x80073d27 gaming services issue. 1. Update gaming service via Microsoft Store. 2. Reset Gaming Services app. 3. Reinstall Gaming Services app. To do so, run the following commands: git ups package gaming services elusers remove ups package elusers remove item path hklm /system /current-control-set /services /gaming services recurse remove item. Path hklm /system /current-control-set /services /gaming services net recurse start ms windows store /bdp productive equals 9 mwpm2 cqnlhn4. Reset Microsoft Store by OS reset command.